Hello sir, good morning. I'm Ricky Padilla Bayukan, married. I have two kids. The one is 15 years old and the second one is 10 years old, girl. And the eldest is boy. I've been working for in Saudi Arabia as a construction, but driver also, company driver. Two jobs, sometimes like that. Because my boss, she asked me if I know how to drive. Then I said yes. Then they told me I drive also the car. The what name is that? Pick up for taking the sometimes construction supply like that. Anything for about construction wire. But now sir, I'm work here in province as farmer. That's why I'm applying again in abroad because no sir, it's very hard to live now. Very expensive, everything, because my country is, I don't know, my income is not enough for my family. That's why I need to go there. Then God's will. I hope you hire me sir as a driver or hardener. No problem for me. Work is no problem for me sir. I'm flexible. That's all sir, and thank you. I hope you hire me so that my family can I help. I will help them also because it's very hard to live now sir here in my country, also in my province, because rice is only 9 or 10 pesos only in every 1 kilo. So very hard, and I hope sir you hire me.